Warning, XRP's sudden surge might just be the beginning. Are you ready for a potential cryptocurrency comeback story of the year? XRP, the digital asset at the heart of the notorious Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, has just seen its price skyrocket by over 10% since Thursday, leaving many in the crypto community wondering if this is the start of something big. Key takeaways: a staggering 200% surge in XRP futures volumes in the last 24 hours, outpacing Solana's $9.6 billion with a whopping $12.4 billion, as reported by Glassnode. Technical analysis hints at a bull flag targeting a remarkable $4.50 by September or October, suggesting potential 35% gains ahead. But here's where it gets interesting. Could this sudden uptick be a double-edged sword, setting the stage for a potential correction if the market turns? The ripple effect. Futures volume skyrockets. Following the highly anticipated dismissal of appeals in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, XRP futures trading volume experienced an unprecedented spike, surpassing Solana's. This significant jump often indicates heightened trader interest, especially in the wake of major news events. In this case, the end of the long-standing legal battle seems to have unleashed a wave of speculative positioning. Open interest and funding rates. A closer look. Alongside the volume surge, open interest, the value of unsettled futures contracts climbed 15% to approximately $5 billion. Notably, XRP's daily funding rate stood at 0.01%, suggesting that the majority of traders were bullish, taking long positions in anticipation of further price increases. However, as Glassnode cautions, heavy long positioning can also amplify downside risk, potentially leading to liquidations and an accelerated correction if the price reverses. Uncovering support levels. Cost basis distribution. Delving into XRP's cost basis distribution data reveals that the $2.80 to $2.82 range is home to the largest cluster of supply, with over 1.70 billion tokens acquired at these prices. This concentration could serve as a crucial support level in the event of a price pullback, as profitable traders may defend their entries. Technical analysis. Bull flag suggests significant upside. The recent price surge propelled XRP above the upper trend line of a bull flag chart pattern, with volumes rising in tandem to confirm the breakout's momentum. Using traditional analysis, which measures the upside target by adding the previous uptrend's height to the breakout point, XRP is potentially eyeing a target above $4.50 by September or October, representing a 35% increase from current levels. Federal Reserve rate cut on the horizon. An anticipated Federal Reserve rate cut in September could further fan the flames of appetite for riskier assets like XRP, potentially propelling it towards its projected target. But will it be enough to sustain the momentum? Expert predictions. How high can XRP soar? Recent predictions from analysts like Mickey Bull Crypto, $5 to $8 by 2025's end, and Dom, $10, echo the bullish sentiment surrounding XRP's future. Do you think XRP will reach these lofty heights? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Disclaimer: this article is for general information purposes only and should not be considered as legal or investment advice. The views expressed are the author's alone and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph.